If you're constantly battling that dreaded storage full notification on your iPhone, this little sky blue thumb drive might just be the ultimate peace treaty. This is the LESOGE MFi certified flash drive, and it promises to be the easiest way to dump 512 gigabytes of data off your phone without touching iTunes or the cloud. What immediately stands out is the build quality. It's housed in a frosted aluminum alloy casing. It feels premium, not cheap plastic, and the retractable design is smart, protecting the connectors from dust and damage. Crucially, it's MFi certified, which means Apple trusts it, so you shouldn't have to worry about those annoying compatibility errors down the line. The connectivity is where this thing truly shines. It's a triple threat. You get Lightning for your iPhones, Type-C for newer iPads and Androids, and standard USB for your PC. It's a true multi-tool for data transfer, eliminating the need for extra cables or complicated network sharing. For iOS users, you do need the EASYFLASH Pro app, but once installed, the magic feature is the one-click backup. Photos, videos, contacts, and documents, it handles it all instantly, saving files directly to the drive and freeing up valuable phone space. You can even share files directly to social media from the drive itself. That convenience is huge for travelers or content creators. Now let's talk performance. The specs list a 40 megabytes per second write speed. While that's fast enough for quick backups of documents and high-resolution photos, if you're moving massive 4K video libraries, you will notice that speed limit. It's efficient for its class, but manage your expectations. It's not a blazing fast external SSD. They also built in encryption to protect sensitive files, which is a necessary touch for work documents or private photo albums. Plus, it supports direct playback of music and videos, so you can keep your entertainment library on the drive without clogging up your phone. For anyone needing a simple, reliable, and secure way to manage massive amounts of mobile data, especially across different operating systems, this LESOGE drive is an incredibly powerful solution. It's the physical storage bridge we've been waiting for.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.